Have you ever stared at a flickering candle flame and wondered what makes it burn so steadily yet mysteriously? That simple glow hides a world of fascinating science, from chemistry to physics, that has illuminated human history for thousands of years. In this video, we will explore the intricate science behind candles, uncovering how they work, where they came from, and why they hold such a special place in our lives. Get ready to light up your knowledge on this everyday object that is far more complex than it seems. Let us start at the beginning with the origin story of candles. The earliest known forms of candles date back to ancient Egypt around 3000 BC. Egyptians created rushlights by soaking the pithy core of reeds in melted animal fat, often from cattle or sheep. These were not true candles as we know them today, but they provided a portable source of light. The Romans advanced this concept around 500 BC by developing wicked candles. They dipped, rolled papyrus repeatedly in melted tallow or beeswax to form a more reliable light source. Beeswax, harvested from beehives, burned cleaner and brighter than animal fats, making it a preferred material among the elite. As civilizations progressed, candles spread across the world. In ancient China, around 200 BC, people made candles from whale fat, while in India, temple candles were crafted from boiled cinnamon. These early innovations laid the foundation for candles as essential tools for extending daylight into the night. Now, let us delve into the evolution and innovation of candles over time. During the Middle Ages in Europe, tallow candles became commonplace. Tallow, rendered from animal fat, was inexpensive but produced a smoky, unpleasant odor that filled homes with soot. To improve this, chandlers, or candle makers, experimented with beeswax, which was reserved for churches and the wealthy due to its cleaner burn and subtle honey scent. A major breakthrough occurred in the 18th century with the discovery of spermaceti, a waxy substance from sperm whales. This material burned brighter and with less smoke, revolutionizing candle making. However, the real game-changer arrived in the 19th century. In 1820, French chemist Michel-Eugène Chevreul developed stearin wax from animal fats, which was harder and less greasy. Around the same time, paraffin wax derived from petroleum emerged as a cheap, odorless alternative. Paraffin allowed for mass production and consistent quality, making candles accessible to everyone. Innovation did not stop there. The invention of the braided wick in the 1820s prevented the wick from curling and ensured a more even burn. In the 20th century, synthetic waxes and dyes expanded possibilities, leading to colored and scented candles. Today, eco-friendly options like soy wax, derived from soybeans, and palm wax offer sustainable alternatives that burn cleanly without petroleum byproducts. Modern innovations include wickless candles and LED versions that mimic flames without fire, blending tradition with technology. Beyond their practical evolution, candles hold deep cultural significance across the globe. In many religions, candles symbolize divine light and spiritual presence. For instance, in Christianity, candles represent the light of Christ and are lit during services to signify prayer and remembrance. Judaism uses candles in the menorah during Hanukkah to commemorate the miracle of oil that burned for 8 days. In Hinduism, diyas, small clay lamps similar to candles, are lit during Diwali to celebrate the victory of light over darkness. Candles also mark life's milestones in secular ways. Birthday candles embody wishes and the passage of time, with the tradition of blowing them out, believed to send desires to the heavens. In memorials and vigils, candles stand for hope and solidarity, their collective glow fostering a sense of community during times of grief or protest. Across cultures, from Mexican Day of the Dead altars to Thai Loy Krathong festivals where floating candles honor water spirits, these flames connect people to rituals that transcend generations. Of course, no exploration of candles would be complete without some fun facts and surprising details. Did you know that when a candle burns, the wax does not simply disappear? It undergoes a chemical transformation through combustion, turning into water vapor and carbon dioxide. The flame's heat melts the wax, which travels up the wick via capillary action, vaporizes, and reacts with oxygen to produce light and heat. Another intriguing fact is the structure of a candle flame. The blue base indicates complete combustion, where hydrocarbons break down efficiently. The brighter yellow top results from incomplete combustion, creating tiny soot particles that glow. In microgravity, like on the International Space Station, Candle flames form perfect spheres because there is no upward convection, and they burn with a cool blue hue. Here is a surprising one. The world's largest candle, created in 2014, stood over 80 feet tall and weighed more than 100 tons, though it was more of a sculpture than a functional light source. Candles have even been used as timekeepers. In medieval times, lines marked on candles measured hours as they burned down. And if you have ever noticed a candle tunneling, where wax burns unevenly down the center, it often happens because the initial burn was too short, failing to melt the wax evenly across the top. As we wrap up, it is clear that candles are more than mere sources of light. They embody a blend of ancient ingenuity and modern science, from the capillary action in their wicks to the combustion chemistry in their flames. Whether illuminating a room or a ritual, candles continue to captivate us with their simple yet profound magic. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science behind candles, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on more object explorations. Share your favorite candle memory in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep that curiosity burning bright.